It's the second night. Lightning in the sky. No rain. No rain whatsoever. Second night in a row. Weird. Really? Oh, look. You seen that?
Yeah. You're missing it. You gotta go on this side. It gets bigger, like right.
Look at that. Now there's some stuff in the sky. Weird noise.
These are fireworks.
Nah, ain't no fireworks, man. Look at that. This has been going on with not lightning showers. It's been 2 days in a row. Weird noises coming in the sky.
That's the first time you heard that.
See, people don't believe that. Look at that. This stuff been crazy. People don't believe.